Hello, welcome back to Hungry for History. Today's video is the second part of making soda water from home. In the first video, I showed how to make berry syrups based on the 1897 soda beverage menu. The link to the recipes are in the description box below. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the syrup to make soda water. Let's get it started! Now it's time for us to assemble the soda. And earlier we made the blueberry syrup and the blackberry syrup. And now both of them are already cooled down and we can make the soda now. You can make soda at home or you can use the store-bought ones like this one here, but it has to be unflavored and unsweetened. We have a soda stream at home. It has been amazing to make carbonated water. If you drink soda water regularly, overall, I feel like it's cheaper to get a machine like this to make at home. This is not advertisement, it's just my personal preference. You get a soda stream bottle with the machine, so it's really simple to use. Just push the bottle in and lock it, and then push the button on the top. You can charge the water for 5 times. Usually I do 5 times. And then release it, take it out. Then you have carbonated water. Now I wanted to try out what's the difference between homemade soda and store-bought one. Let's get 2 jars and try it out. Whoa! I love that sound. This is a homemade one. And this is a store-bought one. And then the only ingredient here on the label is just carbonated water. I cannot really tell the difference. Jonathan, would you like to try and to see whether you can tell the difference?
Sure. All right, I'll start with the store-bought.
Yeah.
Pretty standard.
Yeah. It's just that is room temperature. This one
There's
is
a little
chilled.
more fizz in this.
Yeah.
So it just depends on what you like.
Yeah, I think it tastes the same to me. I don't really have very sensitive taste buds.
I guess if you're going to make a large quantity of soda, this may be a little bit more convenient if you think you and your guests will drink it within an hour or so. Otherwise, I would just go with the soda stream.
Yeah. Do you want it to try out with the syrup?
Yes.
Which one do you want it to try first?
I think the blackberry.
The blackberry? Actually, I put in a little bit spice, and maybe you can try and tell me what is it.
We'll start with the blackberry one here. We'll do...
You can add as much as you want. Usually I would do 3 to 4 tablespoons, but if you want it much stronger, you can even fill like 1/3 of this jar.
Let's go with that.
Okay.
And then
Pour more soda water and try it out. Ooh, I like this color. It's kind of like purple-ish magenta.
a very deep
Yeah, it's very
burgundy.
pretty.
Yeah, okay. Me first. Smells good.
Yeah.
It has a slight floral scent to it.
Really? You can taste it?
I can smell the lavender. That's what you used, right?
Yeah.
Thought so.
'Cause you
I
can
don't
smell
really
it?
taste any lavender though. I just smell it, and it's a nice aroma to go with the fruity flavor.
Yeah, it's very fruity, and I can taste blackberry.
Now we can
Add some citric
Amp up.
acid.
amp up the fruity flavor with some citric acid, which is something you'll see on a lot of soda ingredient labels.
Yeah, actually traditional soda recipes, they require citric acid and just to bring out the fruit flavor of the fruit syrup.
So we added a little under 1/8 of a teaspoon since we have such a small quantity here. What do you think?
It's stronger, like I can taste more the blackberry, and it's a little bit more sour and tangy. I like it.
Yeah, it definitely adds a bit of a kick to it.
If you want a stronger fruit flavor, yeah, definitely add the citric acid. Do you want to try out the blueberry one?
Sounds great.
Okay, let's switch to the blueberry. Ooh, this one is
It's
much
very thick.
Yeah. Should I start with 3?
Yeah, let's see how that is. And this has a very deep purple color, where this one is a bit more burgundy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I can definitely taste the blueberry in there, but not really the lemon flavor, because actually I add some lemon juice in there.
Okay. I'll try it out. See what I think. Honey, I think this is pretty good. So, for those of you that don't know, Lou did some testers earlier on in the week, and the previous blueberry, while it was good, it was
very bland, like plain. It's very plain.
well, it was overloaded with lavender.
Yeah.
So
when you use the lavender in syrup, just use a little bit, because the lavender tends to really strong, has a really stronger flavor, and so when you use it in baking, a light touch is enough.
yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
A nice light touch of the lemony citric, while having the calming blueberry flavor to it. So, and it's not like I'm drinking potpourri. So I like it.
Let's add some citric acid.
Okay. Amp up the citric
Just
a little bit.
bit.
How about that?
Shake it well. Mmm.
You like it?
I like it even better. I feel like the citric acid just bring out the flavor more.
Yeah, it really does. It's pretty good.
Yeah, overall it's pretty good, and I love them. And I think I will continue to use those recipes to make berry syrup and for our soda water. Oh, last not but least, actually I saved the mash from making the blueberry syrup, and we can put it on ice cream. That's a special bonus for making syrup.
Sounds great. I look forward to that.
Here you go. This is the mash that we saved from making the syrup. Let's try it out on ice cream.
So the blueberry mash that was used to make the syrup is a very deep, vibrant color. Smells good with the ice cream.
Try it out.
And we'll see how it tastes. It complements the strawberry cheesecake umpqua ice cream pretty good. I like it. What's up? And a big scoop for me.
Oh, by the way, we can do the float. Another way to drink your soda water and is to do float. Do you know how to do float?
Yes. It may be a bit easier if we use one of the wide mouth jars. So let's go ahead and fill it up with some soda.
And which syrup you want to use?
Let's do the Blackberry again.
Okay. Four enough? Or five enough?
I would do 5. Unlike the artificial concentrate syrups that you get, the natural tends to have a little bit lighter of a flavor. So that's where I err on the side of being a bit more generous with how much I add so that I get more of that natural flavor. And then let's get another spoon for the ice cream. And
whoa, nice. Look,
put it in, it'll fizz.
see the bubbles are coming out.
Have you ever had a ice cream float, love?
Actually not. Even though I have studied the history of soda fountain, but I haven't really have an actual float.
Well, and you've studied the history of ice cream as well. So I think today is the day.
Okay.
There you go. Bottoms up.
I get the flow.
Like why it goes together so well.
Yeah.
You get the fizzy, you get the creamy, and the sweet.
You drink ice cream and soda at the same time.
Reminds me of my childhood. We used
Really?
to have root beer floats quite often, so.
Thank you for turning in today. And we made the blueberry syrup and blackberry syrup, and we made soda and had ice cream and float. Thank you for continue to support us. We will continue to produce videos about food and history, and I hope you enjoy it.
So feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and leave us a comment in the comment section below to let us know what is your favorite kind of soda syrup, and do you enjoy ice cream floats? If so, what's your favorite?
Yeah,
Thanks.
we will see you next time. Bye bye.